Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper hanger for your Barbie dollhouse. So whenever you guys will be having Barbies and other toys at home and you would want to decorate your house and do some different decorations to it, and you might have wanted something to hang the Barbie's clothes and everything and dresses on, and this is a really easy idea to do that. So you can hang your Barbie dolls dresses or any other things, and you can use this. This is actually really kind of strong as well, so you can even use 2 or 3 chart papers and you can roll it, and you can even make a hanger and use it for yourself to hang your clothes as well. So this will be really easy and cute fun idea to do, and you can do it, try it when you're bored. So this also doesn't require much paper. So for this craft only need a single rectangular piece of paper. So since it's for Barbies, I'm using a smaller piece of paper. You guys can take a different size of paper according to the size you want to make it. So for this craft you only need this paper, a scissor and a glue bottle. So the scissor just to cut out the edges after we roll the paper. So it's an easy idea I'm sharing with you guys. So now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So first I'm just taking this piece of paper as I said. So this one is 10 into 7 centimeters. So you guys can take any size as you wish. So first we'll be starting off by rolling it. So I'm just taking green as it sounds like a good color, and for my Barbie's closet I had green themed pack. So you guys can use different colors according to your wish, and you can even decorate it just by your wish. So this is a really easy and very simple craft to do. So it only involves one trick at the last that you'll see. So first we're just going to be rolling the paper slowly. So don't roll it like this way. So if you roll this in this way, the paper will also be strong, and one more thing is that it will also give a better length. So we're just going to be rolling it, and we'll be at the edge. I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle, and I'm just going to be gluing this part over here. So at the edge I'm just going to be applying some glue, and we're going to be gluing this piece together. So now we're just going to be letting it dry for a while. So do apply some pressure to get it folded nicely. So after it's completely dried, I'm just going to be cutting off the edges. So if you guys want, you can use different color papers like this. So it only takes less paper. So you can cut many pieces of paper like this, and you can make hangers in different colors. It also look really pretty to do, and also be fun to do. So at last now we're going to be folding this paper over here like this. So I'm just going to be folding this piece over here, and this one a little bit longer than that. So if you guys want to cut off the edges the paper where the paper is very thin, so make sure that the tip and everything is nice and strong. So now we're just going to be folding this to the bottom like this. So make sure that you get the hanger size that you want. So do apply a little bit of pressure at the edges to get a proper fold over there. So now after we get the proper folded structure over here, I'm just going to be keeping this and inserting this piece inwards like this, and I'm going to be taking this out. So after we take this part out, I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. Now I'm going to be pushing it, and we're going to be sticking it. So now we just have to apply a lot of pressure to make it stick nice and well. So as you see, now we got that fold over here. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of force on these sides to get it more perfect. So if you guys want, you can push it over here to get a good shape. So after this, we're going to be taking this top part, and we're going to be shaping it. So at the edges, this part is very loose and it's also very thin. So I'm just going to be cutting it over here so that it will be nice and pointy at the tip. So because if it's loose, if you hang it, then it might fall off. So I'm just going to be turning this piece over here, and we're going to be folding it, and we're going to be pressing it. So do apply more force all the pieces of paper that we've made so that the output is good. So now after we turn it, our hanger will almost be ready. So this is a very important part. So this part always does not stand still. So while you're making it, do roll it at the top like this. So gently roll it, then leave it to get a good output. So I'm just going to be keeping it and applying a little bit of force and making it stand for a small period of time. So after we complete this, our hanger will be ready. So let it dry for a while and let it sit. So after that, I'll be completely ready. So as you see, this is a really easy and fun craft to do, and it's also a simple craft which you can complete within 5 minutes or so based on the time it takes for you. So you can even decorate it. So as you see, it's kind of simple, and it's also very easy to do. So you can do more decorations to it to make it more creative. So since I took light green paper for this, I'm just going to be taking a dark green marker, and I'm just going to be keeping small polka dots on it on all the sides. So it's not compulsory to do this. Since we took a light shade of paper, I'm just going to be taking a darker shade to decorate it. So it's according to you about how you decorate it. So I just left the other one simple. I'm decorating this one. So if you guys want, if you feel like it's kind of flying, you can just keep it over here and place like a heavy object on top to get into that shape. So I'm also going to be putting polka dots at the bottom part of the hanger as well. So this will be a really easy and cute craft to do for yourself as well as for your Barbie doll house. And also be a cute Barbie accessory as well. So we completed on this side, and I'm going to be repeating the same on this side as well. So if you like hang on different sides, then the design might vary. So I'm just going to be putting the same dots on all the directions so that you can see the dots from anywhere you look at it. So I'm just going to be putting dots over here on this side as well as beneath the hanger over here. So you can even use like designed paper. So if you like buy in shops and ask for some design paper which have like different designs, you can use that, or else you can even take like colored paper and you can cut it into different shapes and you can stick it in an A4 sheet, which will also give you some designing-full papers if you are not having any markers and if you don't want to decorate it. So as I said, this is a really simple way to make a paper hanger at home. So in many YouTube videos, you guys might have seen like hangers using paper clips, and many of you guys will not have like paper clips at home. So this can be easily made and be having good and better strong output than making hangers with paper clips. So if you guys want, you can apply like a little bit of pressure over here to get this part beneath it. So as you see, this will be kind of flat. So you can just like apply some little bit of force over here to make this part go in over here like this, so that it will be nice and thin. So also make sure that when you roll the paper, please make sure that it's very thin, because if you make it too like big, you can see like if it's not flat, it will be like this and it will be like too bulgy. But if you see here, the paper is nice and thin. So like as you roll it, the thickness will definitely increase. So start rolling at a very thin stage. So as you roll it, the thickness will increase and it will be in an okay state. So after we complete this, a really easy paper homemade hanger for your Barbie doll house as well as for yourself is ready. So you guys can use your own designs and creativity to design it in any way you like. You can also do it in any size that you prefer based on your purpose or why you're making it. So this is a really easy craft which can be made in 5 minutes, and it can also be made in different designs and so on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before you conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Also, if you have any ideas or what I should post in my channel, or if you have any doubts on my videos, you can definitely comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So if you guys have any other designs of what I should do to these hangers, or any other dollhouse accessories that you want, or any trending crafts that you want me to do, you can also comment that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.